One quiet night, a Ring doorbell captured something very unsettling. A girl holding a flashlight approaches a house in Harriet Creek Ranch, Texas. She doesn't realize the house is unoccupied.
No, please.
The footage was captured in November of 2020, but didn't become public until after a few weeks later. The authorities have been notified about the footage and are currently trying to identify the girl in the video. We don't know who or what she was running from, but her fear is evident.